Good morning everyone. Today I will solve exercise 7.3 question number first sine square 2x plus 5. Now integral of sine square 2x plus 5 dx. There is no can find integral sine square 2x plus 5. Now we change in another form. We know that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x, or 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Therefore, sine square 2x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Use this formula. Now we change sine square. So x in place of 2x plus 5. So this 1 minus cos 2 in bracket 2x plus 5 upon 2 dx. So 1 by 2 common out. Integral of 1 minus cos 2 in bracket 2x plus 5 dx. So 1 by 2 integral of 1 dx minus integral of cos 4x plus 10 dx. Now let 4x plus 10 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Now 4 common out. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 and constant derivative 0 is equal to dt upon dx, or 4 is equal to dt upon dx. So our dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt. Now change this. So 1 upon 2 integral of 1 dx minus integral of cos 4x plus 10 t. So t dx change 1 by 4 dt. So 1 by 2 integral of 1 dx minus 1 by 2 integral of cos t dt. So now integral of 1 dx x minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 integral of cos t. So sin t plus c constant, and also multiply by 2. 1 by 2x minus 1 by 8 sin change t in variable 4x plus 10 and plus c. This is answer. Question number 2. Integral of sine 3x cos 4x dx. So now change in another form by substitution method. We know that 2 sin x cos x, since by formula sin 2x cos y is equal to sin x plus y and plus sin x minus y. x minus y. So now change a, multiply by 2 and divide by 2 in this function. So we get 1 upon 2 integral 2 sin 3x into cos 4x dx. Change by using this formula, so we can write another form sin 3x plus 4x plus sin 3x minus 4x dx. 1 upon 2, so integral of sin 4 plus 3 7x dx, plus also integral of sin 3x minus 4x minus x dx. Since sin minus x is equal to minus sin x, in fourth quadrant, so sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So now use in this place, so sin minus x is equal to, and multiply by 1 both. So 1 by 2 integral of sin 7x dx and plus minus minus integral of sin x dx. So and also 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 integral of sin 7x, so minus cos 7x upon coefficient of x 7, and minus 1 upon 2 integral of sin x is equal to minus cos x plus c. So now rearrange this. 1 upon minus 14 cos 7x and minus minus plus 1 upon 2 cos x plus c. This is answer. Question number 3rd. Cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x. Integral of this. So now cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x. Arrange this. Multiply 2 and divide 2, and you divide 2 and multiply 2 cos 2x and cos 6x and cos 4x. We know that 2 cos x into cos y is equal to cos x plus y and minus cos x minus y. So use formula in this way. So 1 upon 2 cos 2x plus 6x and plus cos 2x minus 6x and cos 4x. So this 4x. 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 cos 8x plus cos minus 4x and cos 4x. Also can be write this cos 8x plus cos minus theta, since cos minus x is equal to cos x in fourth quadrant. Cos, value of cos positive, so cos 4x and cos 4x multiply by cos 4x 1 upon 2 cos 8x into cos 4x and cos square 4x. Again multiply 2 and divide 2, and using this formula we get 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 2 cos 8x into cos 4x and plus 2 cos square 4x. Cos square 4x. So 1 upon 4 cos 8x cos 4x, so cos 8x plus 4x and plus cos 8x minus 4x and plus 2 cos square 4x. So since 2 cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, so also 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. So according to this we can change this, so 4x, so 2 cos 4 cos square 4x, so 1 plus, so x, so 2, so 4 cos 2 in 4x. So also we can write 2 cos square 4x is equal to 1 plus cos 8x. This use in this place, so 1 plus cos 8x, cos 8 so 1 by 4 cos 12x plus cos 4x and plus 1 plus cos 8x. So this, so now this is value of cos 2x cos 4x and cos 6x. So now integral of cos 2x cos 4x and cos 6x dx. So now change integral 1 upon 4 integral of cos 12x plus integral of cos 4x plus integral of 1 dx plus integral of cos 8x dx. Now dx and now dx. So 1 by 4 cos integral of cos sine 12 upon 12 and plus cos integral of cos 4x sine 4x upon 4 plus integral of 1 dx x plus integral of cos 8x sine 8x and coefficient of 8 and plus c. So this is answer. Question number 4. Integral of sine की power q in bracket 2x plus 1 dx. Now sine की पावर q in bracket 2x plus 1. We know that sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine qx. So also we can write minus, so minus 4 sine qx in come to LHS. So 4 sine qx is equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Also can be write sine power 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x divided by 4. So now integral of this we can also change integral of in x cube sine power 3x is equal to, so 3 sine in place of x 2x plus 1 minus sine 3 in place of x 2x plus 1 dx upon 4. So integral of 3 upon 4 sine 2x plus 1 dx minus 1 upon 4 integral of sine 6x plus 3 dx. So also you can write 3 upon 4 integral of sine 2x plus 1 dx minus 1 upon 4 integral of sine 6x plus 3 dx. So 3 upon 4 integral of sine, so minus cos 2x plus 1 divide by coefficient of 2. So this and minus 1 upon 4 integral of sine, so minus cos 6x plus 3 upon quotient of x6 divided by 6, so plus c. Also we can write minus 3 upon 8, minus 3 upon 8 cos 2x plus 1 and minus minus plus 6 4 1 upon 24 cos 6x plus 3 and plus c. This is answer. Question number 5, sin की पावर 3x cos की पावर 3x integral of dx. So also we can write sin x and cos x power 3 dx. So we know that 2 sin x into cos x is equal to sin 2x. So now we can write this form. So integral of in bracket 1 by 2 multiply by 2 sin x into cos x power 3 dx. So integral of 1 by 2 into this form, so sin 2x power 3 dx. Also 1 by 2 power 3, so 1 by 8 integral of sin power 3 2x and dx. Since we know that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx power qx, or 4 sin qx is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Also we can write sin power 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4. According to this, we can change 1 upon 8 integral of this. So 3 sin 2x sin 2x minus, so sin 3 in bracket 2x upon 4, so dx. So 2x in place of x and 2x and sin 3x in place of 2x. So also we can write this change 1 upon 8 4 32, 1 upon 32 integral of, so 3 sin 2x and minus sin 6x, so dx. Also we can write, so 3 upon 32 an integral of sine 2x dx minus 1 upon 32 integral of sine 6x dx. So 3 upon 32 integral of sine, so minus cos 2x and coefficient of x divided by 2, and minus 1 upon 32 sine integral of sine minus cos 6x and divide by this coefficient 6 and plus c. Also we can write minus 3 upon 64 cos 2x and minus minus plus. So 6 3s are 1 upon 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 and 192 cos 6x plus c. This is answer. Integral of sin x cos 2x sin 3x dx. Now rearrange this integral of sin x and sin 3x and sin 2x dx. So now we know that 2 sin x into sin y is equal to cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. This is formula. 2 sin x sin y is equal to cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. So we can use in this formula, so multiply by 2 and divide by 1 by 2, multiply 2 and divide 2. Now we can change 1 upon 2 integral of, so you can change according to this formula. So cos x minus y, so x minus 3x and minus cos x plus 3x, so sin 2x dx. So this also we can write 1 upon 2 integral cos minus 2x and minus cos 4x and sin 2x dx. So multiply by 2, so 1 by 2 integral of cos minus theta, so cos theta cos 2x minus cos 4x and sin 2x dx. So this 1 upon 2 integral of, so multiply by this in bracket, so cos 2x into sin 2x and minus cos 4x into sin 2x dx. So 1 by 2 in bracket. So also we can change in sin 2x into cos 2x minus cos 4x into sin 2x dx. We can write also we can write 1 upon 2. So 2 multiply and 2 divide, we get 1 upon 2 integral of 2 sin 2x into cos 2x, and also in bracket 2 multiply minus 2 cos 4x and sin 2x dx. So integration this and this dx, and 1 by 2 1 by 4. So integral of 2 sin 2x cos 2x, so sin 4x dx, and this cos 4x 2 cos 4x sin cos 4x sin 2x, so cos, so sin this formula sin 4x plus 2x and minus sin 4x minus 2x and dx. So integral of this dx, 1 by 4 in bracket. So bracket this, so integral of sin 4x dx minus integration of sin 6x dx and minus plus sin 2x dx. So integration this dx and dx. So here 1 by 4, so sin 4x integration minus cos 4x upon coefficient of x 4 minus same way integral of sin minus cos 6x upon 6 and also plus minus cos 2x upon 2x and also plus c. So 1 by 4 in minus cos 4x upon 4 and minus plus cos 6x upon 6 and plus minus cos 2x upon 2 plus c. And also multiply by 4, we get minus cos 4x upon 16 and plus 6 4 cos 6x upon 24 and minus cos 2x upon 8 and plus c. This is answer. Integral of question number 7, integral of sin 4x sin 8x dx. So we know that 2 sin x sin y, 2 sin x sin y is equal to cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. So now change according to this formula. So multiply by 2 and divide by 2, we get 2 sin 4x and sin 8x dx. So 1 upon 2 integral of sin 4x sin 8x. So we can change cos 4x minus 8x and also minus cos 4x plus 8x. So dx. So 1 by 2 integral of cos minus 4x and integral of cos 8 4 12x dx. Also multiply by this 1 by 2 integral of cos minus theta cos theta. Since cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, so now cos 4x dx and minus 1 by 2 integral of cos 12x dx. So 1 upon 2 integral of cos sin 4x and divide by 4 and minus 1 by 2 integral of cos sin 12x upon coefficient of x 12 plus c. Now we can write sin 4x upon 8 and minus 1 upon or sin 12x upon 24 plus c. This is answer. Question number 8, integral of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Now change by trigonometry formula. Since 1 minus, so this change cos 2x is equal to cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin x square x by 2. So half angle formula in trigonometry, cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 and also cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Those cos x change this. So 1 minus in bracket 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 and upon 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So plus minus cancel out. So this 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So 1 cancel out. So 2 sine square x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So 2 cancel out. So integral of sine square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2 dx. Also we can change sine upon cos integral of tan square x by 2 dx. So now change also tan square x by 2 dx is equal to, so we know that 1 plus tan square x by 2 is equal to sec square x by 2. So now tan square x by 2 is equal to sec square x by 2 minus 1. So now change according to this. So integral sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. So integral of sec square x by 2 dx, integral of 1 dx. So integral of sec square x, so tan x by 2 and upon coefficient of x 1 by 2 and plus minus integral of 1 dx x and also plus c. So also can write 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. This is answer. Integral of cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Now we can change also. So integral of, in this adding 1 and subtracting 1. So we can write cos x plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus cos x dx. So also we can write 1 plus cos x minus 1 upon 1 plus cos x. So now separating by LCM, so integral of 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus cos x and minus 1 upon integral of 1 plus cos x dx. So cancel out. So integral of 1 dx minus integral of 1 upon 1 plus, since by formula, since cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So now change 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 dx. So 1 cancel out. Now change integral of 1 dx and minus 1 upon 2 integral 1 upon cos square x by 2 dx. So integral of 1 dx, integral of 1 dx minus 1 by 2 integral of sec square x by 2 dx. So integral of 1 dx x minus 1 by 2 and integral of sec square x, so tan x by 2 upon coefficient of x 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 plus c. So 2 cancel out, so x minus tan x by 2 plus c, this is answer. Question number 10. Integral of sin की power 4x dx. Now change in another form. Sin power 2 x का whole square dx. We know that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So now change this. So we get integral of 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 whole square dx. So also we can write integral of 1 minus cos x cos 2x whole square upon 4 dx. So 1 by 4 integral of, so in bracket 1 a minus b का whole square 1 square 1 plus cos square 2x cos square 2x and also minus 2 cos 2x and dx. So 1 upon 4 integral of 1 plus, also we can change. So since 2 cos 2x is equal to 1 2 cos square x minus 1. So 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x and also cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Now change this, we get, so 1 plus x 2x, so cos 4x, so 4x upon 2 minus 4 cos, so minus 2 cos 2x dx. So now 1 by 4 integral of now dx. So taking LCM 2, so 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x and minus 4 cos 2x upon 2 dx. So this is this. So 2 common out, 1 by 2 1 by 8 and integral of 3 plus cos 4x minus 4 cos 2x and dx. So 1 upon 8, so integrate, multiply in each, so 3 integral of 1 dx and plus integral of cos 4x dx minus integral of 4 integral of cos 2x dx. So now 1 upon 8 3x plus sine 4x upon 4 minus 4 sine 2x upon 2 plus c. So multiply by this. So 3x upon 8 plus 8 1 upon 32 sine 4x and this multiply. So 4 sine 2x upon 8 to 16. So plus c. So also can be write 3x upon 8 plus 1 upon 32 sine 4x 4 4 जा 16. So sine 2x upon 4 plus c. This is answer. Integral of cos की power 4 2x dx. Now we can write also cos square 2x whole square dx. So now we know that so cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. So cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. This is formula of cos square. So now we can change. So integral of cos 1 plus cos x 2x. So 4x upon 2 whole square dx. So also we can write 1 plus cos 4x whole square upon 4 dx. Also 1 upon 4 integral of a plus b whole square. So 1 square plus cos square 4x and plus 2 cos 4x dx. So this is this expression. So also we can change with the help of this. So 1 upon 4 integral of in bracket 1 plus cos square 1 plus cos 8x upon 2 plus 2 cos 4x dx. So now 1 by 4 integral of in bracket taking LCM 2 plus 1 plus cos 8x plus 4 cos 4x divided by 2 dx. So 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 integral of 3 plus cos 8x plus 4 cos 4x into dx. Now 1 by 8 and multiply by integral dx in this expansion. So we get integral of 3 common out. So 1 dx and integral of cos 8x dx plus 4 integral of cos 4x dx. So 1 upon 8, so 3x and plus integral of cos sin 8x upon 8 and plus 4 integral of cos, so sin 4x upon 4 plus c. So 4 cancel out, and also multiply by this, we get 3x upon 8, 3x upon 8 plus 164 sin 8x and plus 1 upon 8 sin 4x plus c. This is answer. Question number 12. Integral of sin square x upon 1 plus cos dx. So now change. We know that identity, since 1 minus cos square x is equal to sin square x. So now change identity. So we get 1 minus cos square x upon 1 plus cos x dx. So integral of 1 square minus cos square x upon 1 plus cos x dx. So a square minus b square, identity a plus b, a minus b. So 1 plus cos x and 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So this is cancel out. So integral 1 minus cos x and dx. Also we can write integral of 1 dx minus integral of cos x dx. So integral of 1 dx x minus integral of cos x sin x plus c. This is answer. That's all. Question number 13. Integral of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. Now change, since cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus, so cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is formula of in trigonometry. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus 1. So according to this change, so cos 2 theta 2 cos square x minus 1, also 2 cos square alpha minus 1 upon, we write cos x minus cos alpha, so dx, and also 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha plus 1, and upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. So 1 cancel out and 2 common out, so 2 integration cos square x minus cos square alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. So also a square minus b square, so 2 integral, so cos x plus cos alpha and cos x minus cos alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. So this cancel out, and also since this, so 2 integral of cos x plus cos alpha dx. So 2 integral of cos x dx plus 2 cos alpha constant integral of 1 dx. So 2 integral of cos x sin x and plus 2 cos alpha into x plus c. So also we can change. So this is answer of given question. Question number 14, integral of cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sin 2x dx. So now we can change cos x minus sin x upon 1 in trigonometry identity cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x into cos x dx. So now cos x minus sin x, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write cos x plus sin x whole square dx. Now let cos x plus sin x is equal to t, differentiating with respect to x. So differentiation of cos x minus sin x and differentiation of sin x. So cos x is equal to dt upon dx. Also we can write cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So now change this. So this is t square. So cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt and 1 upon t square dt. So integration of t की power minus 2 dt. And also we can solve t की power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So also we can change this. So t की power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c, also minus 1 upon t plus c. So minus 1 upon put t. So cos x plus sin x plus c. This is answer. Question number 15, integral of tan की power 3 2x sec square x dx sec 2x dx. So let sec 2x. So also we can write tan square 2x and tan 2x sec 2x dx. So this and also identity sec square 2x minus 1 and tan 2x sec 2x dx. So multiply by this, we get sec square 2x sec square 2x into tan 2x sec 2x dx. Also integral of tan 2x sec 2x dx. Now let sec 2x is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. So sec 2x tan 2x and 2 is equal to dt upon dx. So also sec 2x tan 2x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So 1 by 2 dt. So also now we change integral. So t square and 1 by 2 dt minus integral of tan 2x sec 2x dx. So now 1 by 2 integral of t square. So t की power 3 upon 3 and minus sec 2x sec 2x. So also we can write t की power 3 upon 6 minus sec 2x. Also change in tan sec 2. So sec 2x power 3 upon 6 minus sec 2x plus c. This is answer. Question number 16. Integral of tan की power 4 x dx. So also we can change tan power 4 tan की power 2 x tan square x into tan square x dx. Also we can change tan square x identity sec square x minus 1 dx. So multiply by this. So tan square x into sec square x and minus tan square x dx. So we can also write so tan x whole square and sec square x dx, and also integration of tan square x identity sec square x minus 1 dx. So multiply by this. So integration tan x whole square sec square x dx minus integration of sec square x dx and plus integral of 1 dx. So let tan x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. So get sec square x dx is equal to dt. Now change in this integral of, so let t, so t square and sec square dx is equal to dt. So dt and minus integral of sec square x dx and plus 1 integral of 1 dx. integral, so t power 3 upon 3 minus sec tan x and x. Also put and plus arbitrary constant c. So t replace, so variable tan x power 3 upon 3 minus tan x plus x plus c. This is answer. Question number 17, integral of sin की power 3x plus cos की power 3x sin square x into cos square x dx. So also we can change integral of sin की power 3x upon sin square x into cos square x dx. Also we can change integral of cos power 3x upon sin square x into cos square x dx. So 2 power cancel out and these 2 power cancel out. So now sin x upon cos square x dx and plus integration cos x upon sin square x dx. Also we can change sin x upon cos x into 1 upon cos x dx, and also we can change cos x upon sin x into 1 upon sin x dx. So integral of this sin upon cos tan x 1 upon cos sec x dx, and also cos upon sin cot x into 1 upon sin cosec x dx. So integral of tan x sec x dx, so this is sec x, and cot x cosec x integral minus cosec x and also plus c. So sec x minus cosec x plus c, this is answer. Question number 18, integral of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x upon cos square x dx. Now also we can change cos 2x, this formula cos square x minus sin square x plus 2 sin square x upon cos square x dx. So cos 2x formula cos square x minus sin square x. So also we can write cos square x 2 sin square x minus sin square x plus sin square x upon cos square x dx. So since cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1, this identity use 1 upon cos square x dx. So also 1 upon sec square x dx. So integral of sec square x dx, so tan x plus c, this is answer. Question number 19, integral of 1 upon sin x cos power 3x dx. So now we can change 1 upon sin x upon cos x into cos power 3x into cos x dx. Denominator multiply by cos x and divide by cos x. We get 1 upon tan x into cos की power 4x dx. So 1 upon tan x and this is sec power 4x dx. Also we can change, so integral of sec square x into sec square x dx upon tan x. So also sec square x identity 1 plus tan square x upon tan x and into sec square x dx. So now let tan x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. We get integral differentiation of tan x, so sec square x dx is equal to dt. So now this value put here, so we get integral of 1 plus t square upon t and dt. So now we can also change 1 upon t plus t square upon t dt. So t cancel out, so integral of 1 upon t dt and also integral of t dt. So integral of 1 upon t dt log mod of t plus integral of t square by 2 plus c. So also change t in variable x, so log mod of tan x and plus tan square x upon 2 plus c. This is answer. Question number 20. Integral of cos 2x upon cos x plus sin whole square dx. So now change in formula by cos square x minus sin square x upon cos x plus sin x whole square dx. So this is formula of this. So now a square minus b square, so cos x plus sin x and cos x minus sin x, and also write down cos x plus sin x whole square. So cancel out, so 1 upon cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x dx. Now let cos cos x plus sin x is equal to t, differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of cos minus sin x and derivative of sin cos x, so dt upon dx, and also cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So now this value put here, so we get integral of 1 upon t dt. So cos minus sin dx, so dt, and 1 upon this t. So log t and plus c. Now change log in x, so cos x plus sin x plus c. This is answer. So this is change in this formula. So sin inverse pi by 2, since sin inverse cos x, this is pi by 2 minus cos inverse in cos x dx. So now also pi by 2 in cos inverse cos x dx. So since cos inverse cos x is equal to x, so also integration of pi by 2 dx minus integration of x power 1 dx. So pi by 2 integral of 1 dx minus integral of x power 1 dx. So pi by 2 x integral 1 dx were x, and x power 1 x 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus constant c. So pi x upon 2 minus x square upon 2 x square upon 2 plus c. This is answer. Integral of question number 22, integral of 1 upon cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. So now 1 upon cos x minus a and cos x minus b. So now multiply by sin b minus a and divide by sin b minus a. Also we can change 1 upon sin b minus a. So and this sin b minus a upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b. So 1 upon sin b minus a, adding x, subtracting x in this. So sin b minus a plus x minus x, and also cos x minus a and cos x minus b. So now 1 upon sin b minus a and sin so sin x, so sin x minus a and minus x minus b. So upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b. Also we can write this. So we get 1 upon sine b minus a. So sine a minus b. So sine ax minus a into cos x minus b, and minus cos x minus a cos x minus b upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b. So also 1 upon sine b minus a. So separating by LCM, sine x minus a cos x minus b upon cos x minus a cos x minus b, also minus cos x minus a cos x minus b upon cos x minus a cos x minus b. So cos sine cos, so sine x minus b, so this is sine x minus b. So cos cancel out, and this cos cancel out, so 1 upon sine b minus a. So sine x minus a upon cos x minus a minus sine x minus b sine x minus b upon cos x minus b. Taking by integration, integral 1 upon sine b minus a. So integral of sine x minus a upon cos x minus a, and also integral of sine x minus a upon cos x minus b. So x minus b dx and dx minus. So now let cos x minus a is equal to t. Differentiation with respect to x. So minus sine x minus a dx is equal to dt, and also let cos x minus b is equal to u. So differentiating with respect to x. So cos derivative minus sine x minus b dx is equal to du. So now change. So sine x minus a dx is equal to minus dt, also sine x minus b dx is equal to minus dt. So now change in this. So change 1 upon sine b minus a integral of, so 1 upon t minus dt and minus and integral of 1 upon t minus d 1 upon u. This is u, this is u, this is u. So minus du. So differentiating with respect to x. So 1 upon sine b minus a log mod of t minus log mod of u plus c. So 1 upon, so this is minus and this is minus, so plus, so 1 upon sine b minus a and minus log t cos x minus a and plus log cos x minus b plus c. Also we can change also we can change 1 upon sine b minus a log cos x minus b minus log cos x minus a and plus c. So 1 upon sine b minus a, so log m by n, so m log cos x minus b upon cos x minus a plus c. So formulas log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. This is answer, that's all.